and I'm going to today begin with the chapter vector algebra. वेक्टर अलजेब्रा का जो हम लोग ने HSC पढ़ा है ना स्टूडेंट्स, अराउंड 70% इज द सेम, 30% के वेरिएशंस आते हैं, एंड दैट 30% ना इज लाइक क्रिटिकल पॉइंट्स. आई कॉल देम एज क्रिटिकल पॉइंट्स का मतलब दोज यू कैन कॉल देम एज शॉर्टकट्स और you can call them as quick methods of analyzing or remembering and quicker steps in order to solve the sums. Are you getting it? There are few standard results. Standard result का मतलब वो by heart करने का होता है. Henceforth मैं तुम लोग को बोलूँगा कि this is a standard result, उधर ही वीडियो को पॉज करो, by heart कर दो, ठीक है? Starting with the vector algebra, talking about the concept number 1, the first one. There are few formulae which I want you to by heart it. The first one, unit vector in direction of a bar of some vector. मतलब what is the unit vector in direction of a bar? ये कॉन्सेप्ट है ना, एक बार IIT के सम में आया था. It was there in IIT का one sum. What is the unit vector in the direction of another vector? That vector was given to you. I have called that vector as a bar. It is given by a cap, and the formula is a bar upon magnitude of a bar. ये है in direction. This word is important. But if I ask you, what is a unit vector along या पैरेलल टू ए बार, तो इसका आंसर होगा प्लस और माइनस ए बार अपॉन मैग्नीट्यूड ऑफ ए बार. पैरेलल या अलोंग का मतलब क्या होता है स्टूडेंट्स? कैन आई से अलोंग मतलब इट इज अलोंग मतलब दिस वे. Can I say it can either be in this direction or it can be in the opposite direction? If the directions are reversed, there has to be a negative sign. Hence, there is a sign plus or minus. This is about unit vector. ये word भी सब important है. Unit and unit. But if I say, what is a vector of magnitude m? Along a bar. So it's not a unit vector, it's a vector of some magnitude m. That is going to be plus or minus. Why plus or minus? Because it is along. Along का मतलब parallel ही होता है, ठीक है? So plus or minus m into a bar upon magnitude of a bar. Can I say plus or minus? तो पता चला q, m q. देखो ना, ऊपर वाले यूनिट वेक्टर्स थे. यूनिट का मतलब आंसर वाज 1, आंसर वाज मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 1. इसमें इट्स नॉट अ यूनिट वेक्टर. वेक्टर का कुछ मैग्नीट्यूड है, वेक्टर का कुछ स्ट्रेंथ है, एंड दैट स्ट्रेंथ इज मल्टीप्लाइड, सो इट इज m टाइम्स द आंसर. देन द फोर्थ वन, व्हाट इज अ यूनिट वेक्टर perpendicular to a bar and b bar? Okay, मतलब the unit vector should be perpendicular to a bar also and it should be perpendicular to b bar also. So I will go this way. उसका formula is given by n cap vector. It is plus or minus a bar cross b bar upon magnitude of a bar cross b bar. How did this formula come up? It's a common sense thing. Say for example, a particle is moving along a circular track. This is a bar, this is b bar. Can I say the vector which is perpendicular to a bar is this vector and the vector perpendicular to b bar is this vector? So can I say ये जो arrow है ना, I call it as n cap. That vector is perpendicular to a bar also and b bar also. How can I get the direction of the vector n cap? ये अगर n cap चाहिए, can I take the cross product from a to b? तो a से b, समझो ऐसा है, ये a है, ये b है. अगर मैंने a to b क्रॉस प्रोडक्ट लिया, won't the thumb give the direction of the n cap vector? और ये जो मेरा thumb है ना, it is perpendicular to A also and it is perpendicular to B also. So eventually I take the cross product, it forms a right-handed triplet. What's a right-handed triplet? थोड़े टाइम के बाद आता हूँ मैं. This is how it is. अभी ये तो पता चला कि A क्रॉस B Q है, पर ये पता नहीं चला कि प्लस और माइनस Q है. Can I say it can either go in the upward direction or A cross B can also go in the down. The direction of A cross B can also be downwards. तो अगर downwards आया तो won't it be a negative sign? Hence a sign plus or minus. And the fifth point, the last point of the first part, ये यूनिट वेक्टर था, perpendicular to both. अभी यूनिट नहीं चाहिए मुझे. I want a vector of magnitude m. So I will say vector of magnitude m, some magnitude, some strength which is perpendicular to A bar and B bar. Obviously उसका आंसर ऐसा आएगा, प्लस और माइनस m टाइम्स A bar क्रॉस B bar अपॉन उसका मैग्नीट्यूड. That's it. Are you getting it? This was the first concept. I call it as Roman number 1. Let's go on with the second concept, Roman number 2. Second concept में we are going to study formulae. First formula is, पहले तो एक theorem simple पढ़ते हैं, midpoint. Very simple to begin with. It will always raise confidence when you know something when you begin with. ठीक है ना, जब कुछ भी स्टार्ट करते हो ना पढ़ना, और अगर तुम लोग को वो आता है, यू फील गुड अबाउट योर सेल्फ कि हाँ चलता जाएगा, नाव है ना चलती है. बट अगर स्टार्टिंग में ऐसा तुम लोग ने देखा कि अरे ये पहली बार देखा मैंने, ऐसा कुछ आता ही नहीं है, यू ट्राई लूजिंग इंटरेस्ट इन दैट पार्ट. सो स्टार्टिंग ऑफ विद अ वेरी सिंपल पार्ट, मिड पॉइंट थियरम. सी फॉर एग्जाम्पल, दिस इज पॉइंट ए एंड पॉइंट बी. द पोजिशन वेक्टर इज ए बार, पोजिशन वेक्टर ऑफ दिस पॉइंट इज बी बार. P is the center or the midpoint whose position vector is P bar. Can I say P bar is equal to A plus B upon 2? Then talking about the section formula, internal division and external division. First we'll initiate with internal division. एक line segment है A bar B bar, and there is a point P which divides AB internally in the ratio m:n. ठीक है ना? So let's make a line segment AB, position vector B bar, position vector A bar. There is a point P somewhere out here whose position vector is P bar. It is dividing the line in the ratio m:n. I can say this much is the ratio m. Distance नहीं है, m is not the distance, m is the ratio of division, and n is this much. And then we have a formula. ये जो p bar है ना बीच का, बीच में नहीं है, it's somewhere in between. p bar is equal to, go cross, mb bar plus na bar upon m plus n. So I call this as internal division. And talking about the external division, we're going to have the diagram this way. There is A whose position vector is A bar. There is B out here, position vector B bar. Point P divides AB externally in the ratio m. This is the ratio of division m is to n. Okay, and then I will say that P bar का formula is mb bar minus na bar upon m minus n. External division, section formula. This was about the midpoint and the section formula.